Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Model Rockets 321. I am your host, Keith. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Check the videos. I have a bunch of videos. You can go watch all kind of launches, builds, tips, tricks. I've been doing rocketry for probably over 30 years now. So been doing it for a long time. Started when I was young. So go learn and just observe and check out some videos and build your own and own rockets and everything. So yeah, today we're going to talk about the state of rocketry or whatever. Just noticed some stuff. There's cool stuff going on. Last night there was a SpaceX launch out of California, Vandenberg Air Force Base. You can see that here in Phoenix. A lot of people saw it. I saw people in Cali post it. People in either in Nevada, they could see it from there. So it was a really clear night. Looked like a pretty nice launch. So I didn't get to see it in person, but I caught another one a while ago. I have this mountain where I'm gonna go up on and watch it whenever I get the time to see it. If I find out in time. Sometimes I find out too late, but yeah, so that's one thing going on. Also with SpaceX, they have that big facility they're building down in Texas. It's I think it's called Boca Chica. That's the area where it is, like right on the coast between Texas and Mexico. So they're gonna be launching their starships from there and re-landing them. And from the way it looks, they're gonna be able to like manufacture boosters and then just move them, rotate them out, and refurbish and get it all going. But I'm not sure if Falcon 9s are gonna be flying from there. They might be, but I'm not sure. If you know, you can drop a comment on that. So that's just some stuff going on. Also, right now, I saw an article where the Boeing Starliner, they're kind of going to be delayed at the space station until the 26th. So having some issues with that capsule returning and everything. So I think it had some helium leaks. So they're going to be staying a little while, extending their trip a little bit. And then NASA, they want to get it right. So it should be pretty cool. But yeah. But anyway, back to Model Rockets 321 stuff. What I'm currently working on, I still have the Saturn 1B here. It has first coat of paint on it. Still got to do the black patterns or the black tanks. So I got to get that done, and I have the capsule here. Everything is, I've been painting the capsule separately. That's right here. All this is pretty much done. Just got to go ahead and lay down the coats of black. Very thin coat, trying to keep it as light as possible. And there I go, knock something over. That's kind of part of the videos. Now, if you've been around, you know every video I knock something over. But yeah, so the Saturn 1B is pretty much all built. This is the classic version, the 4-engine cluster. You can see 4 motors will go in there. And I just knocked that tube over. Yeah, this is this is what I do. But anyway, since I knocked that over, I'll go ahead and talk about it. As you know, I flew the Roto Rock, and I lost that a while ago. But I had that rebuilt. That's right here, all scratch built. I had the plan, so I was able to get it all scratch built, except for that yellow cone. I changed some things on my own, made some adaptations, but it's pretty much ready to go. When I do a little spin, you can see the blades, they fly out. So gravity in effect and physics in effect. So got the blades all done. This is built pretty nice. I'm going to get some paint on it. I'm not trying to make it super light. I'm going to add some color to it. Typically you don't paint these, you keep them as light as possible, but the way that one performed on a C, I don't mind a little weight in that field. I'm probably going to be flying this on B motors. I may even go with an A motor for the first launch just to keep it low and close to the ground. But yeah, got it all built here. Got the rubber bands, they're just like resting right there because you'll attach rubber band here, rubber band there. Then once you keep the blades down, I'll get it loaded. Then once ejection, it'll burn, and then it'll fire. It'll release the blades. So, but yeah, I got that one rebuilt. Yeah, I've really been liking these Roto Rocs lately. They've been a lot of fun. This is the SD's, the A Mini. But yeah, this one's ready to go also. This flew great, like on a 13mm motor, put it way up, really high. So they're a lot of fun. And last but not least, when it comes to those, no, actually I'm gonna talk about this first. I have some additional blades I have here already cut. They're not split and they're not like sanded or anything to the airfoil, but these, I'm thinking about making another Roto Rock, but I'm thinking about doing a 2-blade version using this cone right here. This will be the cone. I'm thinking about just doing a 2-bladed Roto Rock. So you'll have cone here and then this will be down lower. Just to experiment around and see how 2 blades will perform as opposed to the 3. We know the 3 performs really well. I just want to do some experimentation. So this is probably like a BT55 cone. So just got to get a couple parts. I have stuff around. And then, last but not least, I am doing an upscaled version of it. This is the tube you heard me knock down earlier. I got the ports are already cut. Got this balsa cone, and I have these blades here. These are all the parts. I actually have the parts already kind of ready. These are going to be 2 feet blades for the upscale rotor rock. And I got my fins here and some additional parts there that I'm going to need. I don't have the, well, I have motor centering rings. I have to need some, I have the motor mount. It's got to get centering rings. I have them around here. It's got to find everything. It's probably in the drawers right here. But yeah, this is going to be, how tall is this? Maybe 3 feet. Let me see how tall this one is. Yeah, it's just an upscaled rotor rock. So I'll probably fly on some C11s and some D12s. So yeah, this is actually 39 inches tall. Yeah, so it's gonna be a 39-inch tall rotor rock right here. Like I said, I already cut out the ports. I got some of the body markings where the fins and where the blades are gonna line up. Got the blades here. Yeah, motor tube, some fins, and a couple extra parts. There's some hinges. Use these nylon hinges. I don't know if you can see that right there. Use these. These are what I'm using on the other ones too. So these nylon hinges come in handy. They're pretty lightweight and they swivel all the way around. Like, so if a blade's here, it'll allow it to go all the way up to about that point. So you can go as high as you need, and then you put a stopper there to keep it from going too far. But yeah, so these are just some of the projects that I have on deck. I've been really into these rotor rocks lately. They're a lot of fun. I'm just glad to have this one rebuilt. I missed it, you know, I had not even a day. It was done, flew it once and lost it, never got it back. But hopefully this one, I think I'm going to recover this. I'm going to keep this one low and slow. I learned, see, this is how it goes. When it's recovering, it'll be like what I'm showing you right now. I can hook these on here and show you. You had to do a lot. This is all scratch built, just from the plans. I was able to kind of figure out where everything was and go from there. But yeah, so it'll be recovering like such. Clockwise, the way you set up your airfoil and your dihedral, should be rotating clockwise when it come back down, as you can see. But yeah, I'll get these off here. I had to bend some wire. I didn't have these hooks or anything, and I didn't want to, you know, bother with ordering hooks and all that stuff. Yeah, I couldn't even find them anyway. Like QCR, they had all the competition rockets. I'm not sure if there's another company out there or not. I just couldn't find any. But I wound up making my own hooks. Just bend some wire, as you can see. I bent some wire, but yeah, it's my 18mm one. But yeah, this is so these are the latest projects. Anything else around? I think that's it. Other than that, I finished the Arcus. You probably saw, hopefully you saw that flight by now. I'm not sure what order you're seeing these videos in, but here's the Arcus. That flew well. Yeah, it's kind of like some of the latest projects I worked on. Other than that, everything's going pretty good here at ModelRocks 321. Support the channel any way you can. Check the links below. Check the website. I got some stuff in the store. Should be some more stuff coming too. The cards are all sold out. Speaking of the cards, I see Estes released a card. Now talking to MOB, Mob Rockets, he is saying, hey, where they got that idea? But actually, Estes, they had a card that was on one of their, you know, their kits come. Let me find a card. Like, the kits come, I'll just grab any rockets around. The kits come like this. And then years ago, they had a card on here that you would cut out. I officially released the cards, which here's my set. Grab this for you. I officially released Model Rocket trading cards, the first ever. Let that be known. These are the first ever Model Rocket trading cards. But Estes released a limited edition, the Red Max cards. Really nice looking cards. Looks really good. So shout out to them. But the original Model Rocket 321 trading cards. I started trading cards in rocketry. But they did the idea, but you had to cut it out yourself. Not an official card that I've ever seen, anyway. But anyway, this was fun. It's ModelRocks 321. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Check back for more, and we'll see you on another one. Should be on launch video coming up soon. Fun stuff happening. Should be flying some Roto Rocs. I'm really impressed by them. They're a lot of fun. So stay tuned, and we will be back with more. ModelRocks 321, and we are out. Hit that subscribe button and like the video.
Attention Rocketeers, for the very first time, you can get your hands on an exclusive set of Model Rocket trading cards by ModelRockets 321. These cards have been carefully created and represent a groundbreaking first in the world of rocketry with their glossy UV-coated finish. These collectibles are a must-have for anyone passionate about space and rocketry. This 12-card set includes detailed descriptions on the back of each card, plus 3 limited edition cards that will be vaulted after this release. Don't miss out. Secure your set right now by clicking the link in the bio.